There is unfortunately no quick ways to change the account on your PS Portal. So if you want to share it, you have to do that every time. You go on the menu over here, slide down to the very last option here, setting. And from here you can sign out. Confirm. And there you go, you are signed out. Now, if you want to connect the other account, press the PS app button, PS button here, and you're gonna have a QR code just right here. Use your phone with the PS app, go on the setting gear and scan a QR code. Scan it here, approve the connection, and this will connect your PS Portal to your account. From there, you will be able to select the console you want to connect to, if you have more than one, and just hit continue, and you'll be ready to play. So I hope this was helpful.